So it's easier to order online. This is one of the most recent designs और इसका color is very very pretty. Peach color और फिरोजी का combination है. पीच कलर की सेल्फ एम्बोस्ड लॉन पे है. इट्स अ शॉर्ट पेप्लम टॉप. एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड नेकलाइन है विद मिरर वर्क ओवर इट और साइड बॉर्डर्स गोटा किनारी से किए गए हैं. इसके स्लीव्स भी आर वेरी प्रिटी एंड वेरी डिटेल्ड. दिस डिजिटल प्रिंट क्रोशे की लेस है. दिस फिरोजी टेक्सचर्ड लेस, मिरर्स एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी एज वेल. जो दामन है एंड स्लीव कफ्स हैं दे सिमिलर. इसका कलर इज़ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन पीच एंड फिरोजी, परफेक्ट फॉर समर टाइम इवेंट्स. This one's for 8500 and it's a two-piece stitched outfit. Comes with a Firozi shalwar. If you'd like to take a screenshot order करने के लिए तो you can take it now and send us a WhatsApp message to order. उसके अलावा there's this pink one that's one of the best sellers in this collection. It's a very very pretty pink color. और I think ये वाले जो दोनों dresses हैं these are perfect for teenagers on Eid as well. ये white और green वाला and this pink one very good choice for Eid for teenagers as well. फरहाना जमानी. सारे ही dresses small, medium और large में available हैं. इसकी जो नेकलाइन है दैट इज़ एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड और एम्ब्रॉयडरी के ऊपर देयर आर मिरर स्टड्स. स्लीव्स में देयर इज एम्ब्रॉयडरी, मिरर स्टड्स, गोटा किनारी, वेरी इंट्रिकेट एम्ब्रॉयडरी पिस्ताशियो ग्रीन में. और उसके ऊपर जो स्लीव्स हैं वो चरमा डोरी और गोटा किनारी दोनों में क्रिस क्रॉस वर्टिकल लाइंस बने हुए हैं. दीज आर द स्लीव्स, वेरी डिटेल्ड. दिस इज़ द नेकलाइन. और हैंड स्टिच्ड लूप्स भी हैं नेकलाइन में. दिस थ्रेड एम्ब्रॉयडरी, दिस मिरर वर्क, दिस बीडेड पर्ल वर्क एज वेल. दिस वंस इन लॉन और इसकी प्राइस 7500 है एंड कम्स विद पिंक पैंट्स. थैंक यू अनम. दिस वंस अ टू पीस आउटफिट फॉर 7500. इसके साथ स्ट्रेट पैंट्स हैं. थैंक यू नादिया. फरिया इसका स्टफ इज़ लॉन एंड समवन आस्क्ड कि इसकी लेंथ क्या है. तो लेंथ वेरीज विद स्मॉल, मीडियम एंड लार्ज. जो सबसे फ्रंट पे पीस पड़ा हुआ है दैट इज़ स्मॉल एंड इट इज़ अबाउट 34 इन लेंथ आई थिंक एस्टिमेटेडली. दिस इज़ द स्मॉल पीस. मीडियम की इज़ अबाउट 36 एंड लार्ज की 37 to 38 एंड सो ऑन. दिस वन इज़ medium and you can see that it's about 2 inches longer than the small piece. Anam, आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर कर सकते हो zahraahmed.com or you can send us a WhatsApp message. This one doesn't come with the dupatta. ये 2 piece है. It comes with pants only. Very pretty choice for Eid. Very pretty color. Then there's this one. Xenia, if you could please WhatsApp us or check the shipping rates on website क्योंकि shipping is weight based. Maria, small, medium and large सबकी same price है. Moving on to this purple and green one that we posted just yesterday, and it's mostly out of stock. Such a pretty piece. And I really like the combination emerald green or purple ka. It's in chikankari material, chicken material, self embroidery hai, and the combination of green and purple is really pretty. The neckline is digitally printed with mirror work over it. और इसी की एक वेरिएशन है. I'd just shortly be showing that one also. इसके अलावा this red one came in just day before yesterday in longer length. Maria जी बिल्कुल हम COD ऑफर करते हैं. You can order on the website or on our WhatsApp number. This red one is also very pretty outfit. Longer length में है and it's an A-line shape. Comes with slits but it's an A-line shape. Embroidered and embellished side panels. और जो neckline है that is also embroidered along with mirror studs over it. This one's for 8,500 and it comes with pants, two-piece outfit. ये भी लॉन में है जी बिल्कुल. आयशा जी बिल्कुल COD अवेलेबल है फॉर कराची एज वेल. Amira, yes, we do ship to USA. This one's also such a pretty blue outfit. Semi-formal hair with a completely embellished neckline, and it's only for 6,500. Anam, if you could please specify कि आप किस dress का पूछ रहे हो. Mostly the ones I've showed are two-piece, shirt and trousers. This one's for 6,500 and it's a two-piece outfit. Comes with pants. Aisha, if you're asking price for this yellow, तो ये it's a 7,500. So moving on to one of my favorites from the tribal collection. It's this black one. I really like this one. I'll probably get this one for Eid for myself as well. मतलब black, you can never go wrong with black, and the details on this are so pretty. This is the neckline in red and black, studded with mirrors and this gold fringe. Puff sleeves हैं इसके, very in fashion these days. These are the sleeves. और इसकी जो साइड के जो पैनल्स हैं they are fully embroidered. This is one of my favorites from the collection. Let me know which one do you like the best. I think सबसे ज़्यादा votes will be for the pink one. Mahi, the black one, is in lawn. It's a self-embossed lawn. And it's an A-line. It's an A-line top without slits. Pretty flary. Many people are requesting that please straight shirts दिखाएं. So moving on to the straight shirts, there's this one. This comes with pink pants. A beautifully embellished neckline. This one's a two-piece outfit for $49.50. This one's for $49.50. It comes with pink pants और ये जकार्ड लॉन में है ये ड्रेस. Really beautiful neckline and I think the price is very reasonable. उसके अलावा there's a similar one in peach and gold के combination. It's also again very beautiful. और इसकी प्राइस भी सेम है $49.50. इसकी भी neckline is embellished with mirrors, very sparkly mirrors, और ये sleeves हैं with embroidery and organza. Zahra, आप वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर कर सकते हो zahraahmed.com or you can WhatsApp us. Sundus नहीं, ये वाला 3-piece नहीं है. It comes with trousers only. Shirt and trousers for $49.50. Sorry, I missed telling the price of this black one. It's for $8,500 and it comes with pants. Website पे it is available to order. बहुत लोग request करें to show the pink one again, so I'll be moving on to that one. I'm mostly done with the latest collection. ये pink वाला है and it's for $7,500. Can there be any elegant dress in single tone? This is a single tone solid colored outfit in pink. I'm glad you like it, Mahanur. जी बिल्कुल, ये भी 2-piece है. It comes with pants. There's also another single tone solid colored outfit in peach that I really like from this collection. ये वाला है वो. Block printed neckline है इसकी with embellishment. Pretty flary. It's pretty perfect for a nikah or an engagement event also. अमरीन जी, ये पीच वाला भी लॉन में है. It's also available in white color option. Let me know which one do you guys like best, the off-white jacquard one or the peach one. These are both 7,500 each. Ji Sanya, bilkul, we do deliver overseas as well. जो peach वाला है, that is 7,500. Both color options are 7,500 each, and I really like the shimmery crochet details. इसके अलावा someone's asking कि कोई party wear या formal दिखाएं, तो so there's this one, also perfect for a home nikah event. It's a chikankari shirt. Comes with a yellow embroidered dupatta and this lehenga. Reshmi nahi hai ye wala. This peach one is in lawn. Very wearable, breathable fabric. Summer events ke liye I think it's perfect. This is the other color option. This is from the latest tribal collection. It's in red and blue. Very pretty combination. Tribal theme में इसकी embroidery and neckline की with mirror studs. And this one's for 8,500. Shaista, you can take a screenshot and send us a WhatsApp message to order. अगर आपको ये order करना है, you can take a screenshot now and send us a WhatsApp message. मैं WhatsApp number अपना जो हमारा orders के लिए, I'd link it down below again. This one's for 7,500, 7,500. Oh. Mirror studs जो हैं वो embroidery में नहीं लगते. They are studded with fabric glue. The beads are sewn in. The mirrors are studded with fabric glue. नहीं नुदरत, इसकी प्राइस 7,500 ही है वेबसाइट पे भी. अगर आप इस पीस की प्राइस इसकी बात कर रहे हो तो yes, this one's for 49.50 on the website. WhatsApp नंबर मैं फिर से लिंक कर देती हूँ 031200000284. जो ये पीच वाला है दिस कम्स विद पैंट्स, इसके साथ भी पैंट्स हैं, और जो ये पीच फ्रॉक है इसके साथ भी पैंट्स हैं, ये भी 2 पीस ही है. There's this white peshwaz as well in this collection. Very pretty combination. It's mostly white toned with these pistachio green and pink embroidery panels. दामन पे भी यही embroidery है और बाजू में भी. वेबसाइट पे ये वाला भी अवेलेबल है कलर. अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा यू कैन सेंड अस अ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज और हम मैनुअली आपका ऑर्डर प्रोसेस कर देंगे. दिस वंस फॉर 49.50 एंड द अदर पीच कलर ऑप्शन इज ऑल्सो फॉर 49.50. This white peshwaz comes with pants, and it's for, let me check the price, I think it's for 7,500. Yes, it's for 7,500. This peach one is also from the most recent collection. ये भी लॉन में है. It's a flared peplum top with shalwar. ज़ैनब, ये जो मैं पीच वाला दिखा रही हूँ, this comes with shalwar, फिरोजी शलवार. नशरा फ़िलहाल 3000 की रेंज में नहीं है, क्योंकि सेमी फॉर्मल्स हैं एंड 2 पीस स्टिच्ड हैं. 4950 से इनकी रेंज स्टार्ट हो रही है. अलीशा, लॉकडाउन की वजह से द आउटलेट टाइमिंग्स आर 12 to 7 in most locations. This one's for 8,500. It comes with a shalwar. Really beautiful details on the daman and sleeves. नहीं, ये वाला 3 पीस नहीं है. It comes with shalwar only. Sumaira Nadeem, you can send us a WhatsApp message to order. You can take a screenshot now, and we'll manually process your order from the store or the branch itself. जी बिल्कुल, ये लॉन्ग फ्रॉक है. मतलब पाँव तक लंबा नहीं है, but it's pretty long. It's below knees at least. There's this white one in long as well, perfect for nikah events. Many people are asking कि nikah के लिए options दिखाएं, तो I think this is modern yet very very elegant. जी बिल्कुल, ये white है. Very very elegant outfit. और इसकी जो embroidery है, इसी के अंदर there's shimmer. इसके साथ if you get a pink dupatta made, it look so pretty. और ये जो अनारकली, अंगरखा अनारकली है, this is also in longer length. The price for this is 7,500. Very elegant and very beautiful. Someone asked कि peach वाला please दोबारा दिखा दें. So I'm coming back to this one. ये वाला जो है वो 4950 का है, and it's a 2-piece outfit. जी बिल्कुल, है ना, ये straight shirt है. If you want more in straight shirts, so there's this green one. There's this off-white gold one. जी बिल्कुल, ये जो mirrors हैं, ये fabric glue से लगाए गए हैं. These are studded onto the embroidery. Mashal Kashif, live पे तो order करना possible नहीं होगा, but you can send us a Facebook inbox message to order. So your details can be sent privately, like your address and cell number. सुमेरा नदीम, अगर आप इस वाले की लेंथ पूछ रहे हो, जो स्ट्रेट शर्ट है, it looks about 37 to 38 inches long, estimatedly. इसके अलावा लॉन्गर लेंथ में हमारे पास ये रेड वाला है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इन लॉन. थैंक यू फिज़ा, दैट्स सो स्वीट ऑफ यू. ये भी बहुत खूबसूरत आर्टिकल है रेड में. Someone's asking price of the black one. This is one of my favorites from the tribal collection. इसकी price 8500 है. It's perfect for the people who like to wear red and black. It's such a classic combination. And I really like the puff sleeves in this one. ये पर्पल वाला भी इट्स वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. there's embroidery all along the fabric. और इसकी दो वेरिएशंस अवेलेबल हैं. there's one in chickengari and there's one in embroidered fabric. ये दोनों 5500 each हैं. there's some sale stock as well. You can check on the sale category on the website. ये वाला भी सेल पे है. इट्स फॉर 5950 ऑन सेल. So I'm done showing most of the collection and the new articles as well. I hope this was helpful in some way. And you can send us a WhatsApp message for any kind of assistance. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.